Hi everyone, my name is Casey and I am one of the summer interns at the Basilica of St. Mary, and I'm here today to talk to you about our family summer program. Currently in Northern Virginia, 1 in 6 children are either at risk of or are experiencing food insecurity, and as a result, these children are encountering the summers in a way that they aren't during the school year. They're not having the same access to free and reduced price meals that they would during the typical school year. And families are often dealing with the challenging choice between paying for groceries and paying for other necessary expenses like utilities and other bills. And this is where our family summer program comes in. Beginning Friday, June 30th, we will be hosting a family holy hour at 2:30 in the church and a family service project at 3:30 in the Lyceum, where we will be packaging summer meal kits for children experiencing food insecurity over the summer as a service project for Christ House. And we need your help with donations and with service. If you could please consider donating the food that we will need to build these meal kits at the link www.stmaryoldtown.org, or as well coming on Friday to the Lyceum at 3:30 to join us in assembling the meal kits. Thank you so much for your generosity, and God bless.